Trends in home decor come and go, but some styles endure. Imagine entering a room that is effortlessly attractive, inviting, and always in style regardless of the era. These timeless design components not only exude charm, but also serve as a platform for adding personal touches over time. From traditional color palettes to iconic furniture styles, timeless home decor is about creating a room that is both useful and sophisticated. Whether you're renovating your living room or planning a whole home renovation, incorporating these timeless ideas can be a game changer. In this column, we'll look at timeless home decor trends that will keep your place looking great for years to come. Neutral color palettes such as beige, white, gray, and taupe form the foundation of timeless home decor. These colors give a peaceful and refined base that seamlessly complements a variety of design styles, from modern minimalist to traditional elegance. Neutral tones are extremely versatile, allowing homeowners to refresh their decor by simply replacing accent pieces such as pillows, artwork, or rugs. They provide a sense of spaciousness and peace, making them ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and even kitchens. Neutrals also pair nicely with natural materials like wood and stone, adding to their timeless charm. This persistent trend ensures that your home remains stylish despite shifting fashion, making it a popular choice among interior designers worldwide. Wooden furniture embodies ageless elegance and durability. Pieces made of oak, teak, or mahogany have lasted the test of time due to their solid structure and natural beauty. Whether it's an antique dining table, a sleek mid-century contemporary chair, or a rustic coffee table, wooden furniture easily adapts to a variety of decorating styles. Its versatility stems from its capacity to be stained, painted, or left in its natural state, each of which enhances its attractiveness. Because of their durability and sentimental worth, wooden artifacts frequently become heirlooms and are passed down through generations. They also work well with other materials, like metal or glass, resulting in a harmonic blend of tradition and modern appeal. Classic patterns like stripes, plaids, flowers, and herringbone are timeless. These designs add balance and sophistication to rooms, whether applied on upholstery, wallpaper, or area rugs. Stripes can lengthen a room or lend a structural impression, whilst plaids provide a homey, traditional look. Florals provide a touch of whimsy and elegance, while herringbone patterns provide subtle texture and depth. Their ongoing popularity stems from their capacity to pique interest without overpowering the space, making them a dependable choice for anyone looking for timeless decor solutions. Open shelving strikes the ideal blend between usefulness and elegance. These shelves allow homes to exhibit attractive goods such as books, plants, and pottery while still making commonly used items accessible. They are especially useful in kitchens, where they display attractive dishes and kitchenware. The basic design of open shelving complements modern, industrial, and rustic spaces, merging easily with many themes. Their versatility guarantees that they never go out of style, particularly when combined with complementary materials such as wood or metal. To retain a timeless appeal, keep the shelves clean and uncluttered to avoid them appearing overbearing. Open shelving demonstrates that functional design may also be aesthetically pleasing. Chandeliers and pendant lighting bring a sense of timeless beauty to every room. These fixtures act as functional light sources as well as statement design elements, adding to the overall ambiance of the room. Traditional crystal chandeliers provide luxury to formal dining rooms, yet sleek, minimalist pendant lights look well in modern kitchens or living areas. Lighting trends may evolve, but the classic designs of these fixtures remain a favorite among homeowners and interior designers. Their adaptability ensures they suit various styles, from vintage to contemporary. By choosing high-quality materials and designs, these lighting options can transform any room, creating a focal point that elevates the decor. Indoor plants have remained a staple in home decor for decades, thanks to their natural beauty and ability to breathe life into any space. From lush ferns to low-maintenance succulents, greenery adds a fresh and calming vibe to interiors. Beyond aesthetics, indoor plants offer health benefits by improving air quality and reducing stress levels. They are versatile and can be styled in various ways, whether placed in chic ceramic pots, hanging planters, or as part of a vertical garden. Their enduring appeal lies in their ability to seamlessly integrate into any decor style, be it modern, bohemian, or traditional. Indoor plants are an effortless way to keep your home feeling vibrant and timeless. Large mirrors are both utilitarian and aesthetically pleasing, making them a classic addition to any room. They reflect light, giving the impression of a larger and brighter space, which is particularly effective in small or dimly lit rooms. Statement mirrors with elaborate or classic frames serve as focus points, bringing elegance to living areas, bedrooms, and entryways. Their adaptability allows them to blend smoothly into a variety of decor styles, ranging from modern minimalist to old glamour. Mirrors also pair well with other materials like wood or metal, enhancing their aesthetic appeal. Investing in a high-quality, timeless mirror ensures it remains a cherished part of your home for years. Built-in storage. Built-in storage options, such as custom wardrobes, bookshelves, and entertainment cabinets, provide the ideal combination of usefulness and timeless elegance. These features are intended to increase space while keeping a clean, orderly appearance. Built-ins can be customized to meet special purposes, such as displaying literature, storing devices, or sorting clothes. Their seamless integration into walls ensures that they suit the room's architecture, making them a modest but impactful addition. Built-ins, whether finished in neutral colors or raw wood, are both attractive and flexible to changing trends. This durable design choice is great for people who value both functionality and a clean aesthetic, making it a timeless investment. Natural textures. Natural textures such as stone, rattan, linen, and jute add organic warmth to rooms. These materials create a sense of timelessness, connecting dwellings to nature while also adding depth and character to the decor. Stone fireplaces, rattan chairs, and linen drapes may center a room with their modest elegance. Natural textures perform well in a variety of styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern chic, demonstrating their versatility. They are durable and environmentally friendly, making them a sustainable choice for home decor. Incorporating natural elements into your home not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also creates a calming and welcoming environment that never goes out of style. Statement rugs. Statement carpets are a timeless way to center a room's decor while also providing texture, color, and character. Persian and Oriental carpets, with their exquisite patterns and high-quality craftsmanship, are timeless investments that can transform any room. These rugs complement both modern and traditional interiors, creating a harmonious blend of old and new. Their durability ensures they withstand the test of time, often becoming family heirlooms. Choosing a statement rug in neutral tones or classic patterns ensures versatility, allowing it to adapt to changing trends. Conclusion: timeless home decor trends are more than just design decisions. They are investments in creating an environment that exudes elegance, usefulness, and long-lasting appeal. Whether it's the subtle beauty of neutral colors, the warmth of wooden furniture, or the modest luxury of chandeliers, these components add a feeling of balance and sophistication to any space. By adopting these traditional principles, you can create a room that will feel fresh and inviting for years to come. We hope this blog has inspired you to appreciate the enduring beauty of classic decor. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and spread the inspiration by sharing this with others who appreciate lasting style.